Zoe. Zoe, try and make him smile. Noah, try and make him smile.
Careful.
Smile.
Do the thing, Josh.
Oh, baby. So they have the camera. So are you ready for the train? The Christmas train? No, you ready?
Yeah.
He's actually awake.
Okay. Hopefully he doesn't get scared. We're moving.
How was she not aware? I meant like as a baby.
Oh, yeah.
We're on the Polar Express.
Do you like it? Say bye-bye. Bye.
Zoe.
I know.
Fine.
I got everybody on there. We're taking a video, Zoe. Oh, wow, look how pretty. Santa Speedway. Easy, buddy. Wow.
Not even a song.
Wow.
Wow, this is actually cool.
Zoe, look there.
Oh, look at that slide. Oh my goodness. The slide, right? Oh, we're in a tunnel. Oh my goodness. Ah, what do you think? This is cool. This is cool, huh?
One thing.
No, don't punch anything, please.
What's happening, Zoe?
Is that cool? That's a little penguin slide. That's cute. Oh, Zoe wants to do the water slide. That's a water slide, Zoe. It's too close for a water slide. Wow. Noah, do you like it? Is it cool? Noah.
He went wide-eyed.
Oh yeah, look at the train. And the toy factory. Very cool. Oh, this is cute with the toys. Oh, there's a little Mario thing. Look how cute. Looky there.
Can Gigi come on?
So cool. Oh, Barbie. And the little army man. Oh, how cute. Oh, and the crayon thing. Don't touch that. Oh, really? That's really cool. Look. Oh, look at all the toys.
The big man.
I love the gingerbread men. They're so cute. Zoe, do you like the gingerbread men? Yeah, they're really cute. The gingerbread train. You what? Oh, there's a marshmallows over there. What, Zoe? Yep, that train track goes over there for something. I don't know what. Oh, another tunnel. This one's crazy looking.
Yo!
No, don't be too loud. Wow! Whoa! Oh, I can't see anybody. Ah! Everybody does a video. Oh, look. Are you having fun? You don't like the hiccups though, huh? Is he in there? Zoe, what are you gonna ask him? Why is his face red? A dolly? Like you don't have a bajillion dollars already? Alright, I think we're in, Zoe. Oh boy, he's gonna be... No, I need to take off your jacket, bud. You ready to see Santa? What are you gonna ask for? There you go. Are you excited? It's Santa. Oh. So don't be shy. Go sit down. Go see. It's okay. Noah's with you. Come on. It's a Santa. You gotta tell him what you want. Okay. All right. No, go over there, buddy. No, go get him. Go on. No, go get him. Oh, he's hungry, so it's bad timing. Aww. Smile real big. Huh? Sweet. Aww. Oh yeah, you're gonna try the pizza, Zoe? Maybe?
It's special pizza, it's Santa's pizza.
Ooh.
It came from the North Pole.
Did you have fun meeting Santa?
Hey, we can go to the North Pole.
What?
We can go to the
When you go to the North Pole, that's quite a ways away. That'll take a very long time, like 5 days. Yeah. What did you think of Santa? Was he nice? Yeah. Are you having fun? Yeah. I know. He's done. He says, ho, 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 ho. And he's tired. Noah, did you have fun meeting Santa?
What?
Did you have fun meeting Santa? What do you say that you're gonna get when you get older? Socks and
I don't know.
socks and more underwear?
And underwear?
Funny. Was he nice?
Stop filming me. Build the video right now.
I'm gonna stay back here. I don't like
Zoe!
this guy.
Huh?
Because I don't like him.
Zoe! No, go over there.
Zoe.
Look at the picture. Zoe, look at the camera. No,
No,
don't climb over.
Zoe, no, no.
No,
Oh.
Yeah, make her come back over.
No, I'm not taking it. I'm taking a video.
Noah.
Get her over the light, please. We need to watch the movie. That's where she go in. You say, whoa! Oh my gosh! Now the first time driving. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's so proud. He's right behind Dawn. Go, Noah! Go, Noah! Here he goes. I'm gonna stay right here. You can come around. Wave at him. Okay, we're gonna come around this way, ready? Oh, wait, where is he? Oh, here he comes. Hi, Noah. There you go. That's so neat. Zoe, put that down.